Hello, my name is Kacper. I am an engineer at MTS Technik. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'd like to present the coilover suspension kit for the BMW E46 3 Series in all body styles. This kit is available in three variants: street, stance and comfort, differing in spring stiffness and spring type. The front axle is equipped with a threaded shock absorber finished in a gold zinc plating, featuring the hexacoil adjustment nut. Hexacoil, thanks to the use of a clamping screw, significantly enhances the ease of adjusting your suspension height. Both front and rear springs are produced by the German company eibach. These are ERS type springs with linear characteristics. Thanks to their internal diameter of just 60 mm, they allow for very easy replacement with springs of different stiffness, only exception being the comfort variant, which uses ERS type springs on the front axle, like street and stance, and progressive springs on the rear axle to ensure maximum comfort and excellent driving characteristics. Additionally, our kits also include helper springs to provide preload for the main springs. On the rear axle, you will find sport shock absorbers with a shortened stroke tailored for the lowered suspension with increased dampening force compared to the original shock absorber. Moreover, our kits come in with dedicated bump stops and dust covers for both front and rear axle, as well as black anodized aluminum height adjusters for the rear axle and spring caps for the front axle. Also, you will find zinc-coated sway bar links for the front axle. In the package, besides the kit itself, you will also find an adjustment wrench, 2 MTS Technik stickers, and any necessary documentation such as installation manual and TUV certificate. Thanks for watching.